Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful 3D scarf or sweater or blouses pattern. It's only 2 rows repeating and so simple. I use only single crochet, double crochet and triple. It's so simple. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful crochet 3D only 2 rows repeating scarf pattern. Let's start crochet. I use in my pattern king cole bamboo cotton, and one ball is 100 grams and it's equal to 252 yards, 230 meters. 50% of bamboo viscose, 50% of cotton. They recommend us using, not recommend a hook. I use 3mm hook, but if your yarn is so tight, you can use 3.5 or 4mm. Okay. It's washable in 30 degrees, ironing, low temperature. Do not put in tumble machine, tumble dry, and do not bleach. And its color number is 3331 Sea Breeze. Okay. We need for this pattern multiples of 7. First of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not make so tight so your chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to show you a sample, so 21 stitch is enough for me. Plus 1, multiples of 7 plus 1. So I have now 22 single crochet, 22 chains, sorry. Turn back my chains and you can see here back loops. Skip very first here. Start from the second one. Insert my hook, grab my yarn. I have 2 loops, pull through together and make single crochet. Insert back loop, grab my yarn, pull through 2. Next back loop, grab my yarn, pull through 2. I make a single crochet in every each stitch but using back loops like that. I complete and make totally 21 single crochet. Of course you will repeat your 7 chains which width you want. I complete my singles after turn to you. I made totally 21 single crochet. At the end we have this clear looking. Okay, chain 1 and turn your work, not count as a stitch, insert into the same stitch and make single crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 2 stitch, insert into the third one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make double crochet and add here 7 more, so totally make 8 double crochet in the third stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1, skip 2, insert into the third one and make single crochet and complete the first set. 1 single, skip 2, on the third one 8 double crochet, skip 2, on the third one a single crochet, between of here 1 chain. Start the second set, insert into the next stitch and make single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, skip 2, insert into third one and make here 8 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, if you use more thicker yarn than me, you can make here 6 double crochet, or more thinner, you can make here 10 double crochet. It's your choice. Chain 1, skip 2, insert into third one and make single. Next stitch, make single, chain 1, skip 2, insert into third one and make here again 8 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1 and skip 2, insert into last one and finish with single crochet. This is first round. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and turn your work. Yarn over twice this time. Insert my hook, back to front, then back. We make here 8 back post treble. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert the second double as back post. Grab my yarn, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, insert the third one, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make back post. Yarn over twice, one, 2, 3. I make here 4 back post treble. Chain 2, yarn over twice. I left here 4 double. I will make here 4 back post treble. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 back post, chain 2, 4 back post. Yarn over twice and not make any chains. Come to next 8 double crochet and make here again 8 back post. I insert my hook back to front, then back. My hook stands front of this double crochet. Grab my yarn, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, 3, and the fourth one here again. Chain 2, yarn over twice and keep crochet 4 back post treble. Then not make chains and come to the last set, make 4 back post, chain 2, 4 back post. I complete and turn to you. I complete my back post triples, 4 back post, chain 2, 4 back post. Not make any chains, come to second set. I come to end, yarn over twice and insert that last single crochet stitch and make here treble. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and turn your work. Not count this chain 1. Insert into the same stitch and make single crochet. Chain 1. After that always you will repeat these 2 rows. Yarn over, come to chain 2 space and make here 8 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1, come to 8 triple. Insert your hook front to back, then front as front post. Grab your yarn and make here front post single crochet. Come to next sets first treble and insert your hook as front post again. Grab your yarn and make one more single here. Chain 1, yarn over, come to next chain 2 space and make here again 8 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1, come to last treble, insert my hook like that, grab my yarn and make front post single crochet, insert the next set's first treble, grab my yarn and make front post single crochet. I make here 2 front post single crochet, one of them on the last treble, the second is on the first treble. Next sets, chain 1, come to chain 2 space and make again 8 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1, come to last stitch on the treble stop, finish with single crochet. That's the third row. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and turn. You will repeat these second rows again. Yarn over twice and make here 1, yarn over twice, 2, yarn over twice, 3, yarn over twice, 4 back post triple, chain 2 and make 4 back post triple again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over twice, not make any chains, come to next group and start to make your triples. Make 4 triple, chain 2 and 4 triple. Then repeat always the second and the third row. Keep repeating which size you want. It's so gorgeous pattern. You can see that this 3D effect. I hope you like it and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.